Hello everyone. ICFAI Tripura released admission notification for MPhil Clinical Psychology. And we all know students want to do MPhil in Clinical Psychology from RCI approved organization because after completion of MPhil in Clinical Psychology, they will get license of clinical psychologist or rehab psychologist without any difficulties. But RCI mentioned on their website that ICFAI has got conditional approval granted for the current academic session 2020-21 with previous sanctioned intake 2019 to 20. So the students are confused, right? They want to know what it means by conditional approval. And should I do MPhil in clinical psychology from ICFAI or I need to avoid this organization? Let's understand. As we all know, MPhil in clinical psychology should be done only from RCI approved organization. But ICFAI has got conditional approval and the RCI website mentioning that they got conditional approval for the session 21-22. It means if any organization applied for extension but due to COVID situation, inspection is not possible, so RCI allowing organization to take admission in session 21-22. But organization must submit the undertaking or we can say affidavit on the prescribed format on non-judicial stamp paper stating that if any shortcoming are found during the inspection, the council, that means RCI, shall reserve the right to withhold the extension of approval for next batch, that will be 2022 to 2023. Or they can also take panel action against the organization. So in conclusion, if they mentioned that they provided them conditional approval for the session 2021 to 22. So in conclusion, we can say if RCI mentioning that they have conditional approval for the session 21-22, so you may take admission in ICFAI's MPhil in clinical psychology course because ICFAI need to submit an affidavit only. They don't need to develop infrastructure because they have this, right? Because they organized this particular course in previous session, right? So I hopeful this explanation will be helpful in clearing the confusion and all the best for your upcoming entrance examination. Bye. Take care.